Peach.
Pico is taking a bath today.
No, tell her. I don't want to take a bath.
Peek.
Peek.
I don't want to take a bath. Tell her, Pete. I don't want to take a bath.
Do it again.
I don't want to.
Peek, come here. Peek.
Yeah, will you eat deer meat?
Yeah. Peek.
Peek.
Tell her. I don't want to take a bath. Tell her, Pete.
Come here. I don't wanna take a bath.
What do you want to get through the week with that didn't look? Like, what are you
All right,
doing
here,
tomorrow?
hold this. I'm bringing him in. I don't want to stop it.
What are you doing tomorrow?
What do you mean?
Jim,
What
follow
time did
me.
you work
Give me
out?
the camera.
Come on, follow me.
What time do you work out tomorrow?
I'm off tomorrow.
Oh.
Bye.
Just throw him in.
Pete, you love it. Can you lay down for a second?
Ange.
It's okay. You need to get wet. It's alright. Oh no, it's okay.
Why do you just throw him?
You're not gonna get wet.
Pete, what'd she do to you, Peeky?
You're okay.
Peeky, what'd she do to you? He'd be a skinny ass dog. Put all his hair like down, like push it down.
Lay down.
Oh yeah, I'm not videotaping this whole day. I want to take a nap. He keeps his ear back the whole time. What?
Yeah.
Ah! Stepped right on my freaking big toe.
Sorry.
Head and shoulders? And that much? Are you kidding?
There's a lot of heat.
You're dripping all over the floor. Why couldn't you put a towel there? Look.
Get a towel first. This one. What is this?
I have no idea.
I love you.
You don't do his tail? You need water.
Stay down. Oh, that's hot.
People, what did you do to you, Al? He put his ears up.
Oh, shoot. I almost fell in.
Peeboo. Hello. Pete, look at me.
Stop. Get off of me. Underneath the water.
Pete.
Pico. Pete. Get off of my toe. Pico. Peek. Alright, buddy. Alright, I'm shutting this off.